We're going to the treetop. We're gonna climb that. Oh, that I can see where Sierra will be scared.
Looks fun to me.
We're gonna. Let's do the elevator. I don't want to take the stairs.
Alright, Sierra said there was a little wobbly. Let's see. I think it must be wobbly at top. Wow. This way, please. Oh, nice. We really are at the treetop. That's the wrong way. Should we use that camera too, or no? We made it. Burned off a couple of bites of the scone, but
That's way down there. We were down there. We have to climb all the stairs. You can see the stairs better. Right there. We'll be going around.
right to make it move.
Yeah. We're on the treetop. Weird sensation. Try to see if it works.
It's a little wobbly. We are definitely at the treetop. Very nice. Yeah, it definitely moves a little bit. You can see, well, I don't know if you can see it on the GoPro, but you can see downtown London. There's the that main greenhouse, right, with the African plants, the one that's very hot. We didn't go to the top though, too hot for me. Oh, they're parakeets right here. Those are the ones making the noise. He just flew over there. Maybe you can see him from over here.
Oh, the wind is making it all. I can hear it.
Noisy little suckers. He's down there somewhere. Yeah, it was very green, like a bright green parakeet.
Oh, we didn't go there. Another glass house.
That's the big one.
They're huge.
Sounds like there's another one over here.
I can smell them. That's a pagoda.
That's the pagoda? Oh
Yeah.
wow, so big.
You can climb that too.
You can climb that one?
You can pay to climb that.
We'll see.
It's a little wobbly.
Huh?
Is it strong enough, I guess?
I hope so.
Oh, there's a metal
Cross
underneath.
beams, yeah.
Yeah, otherwise it'd be.
No, these
Little
grates aren't that strong.
Yeah. And now we see the pagoda.
Almost at the end.
Look at that.
I think we'll probably go there next, right? How high this is. We're like right at the top of this guy. Guess this guy didn't make it.
He's dead, dried up.
But yeah, we
Yeah, and then the pagoda.
Ooh. All right, I guess that's it.
Now we're gonna go down.
That was a cool little trek. Now we'll head back down, right?
It'll be worth it when we see how high we are.
We'll go down quickly.